Hello, in this video I'll show you how to fix Warzone 3 not launching on Steam issue. Now it's a very easy fix. All you have to do is firstly open your Steam, then you have to go to your file location wherever your Call of Duty is installed, and in order for you to do that, all you have to do is just simply right click on your Call of Duty game, then go to manage, then go to browse local file, and that will bring you to the local files of your Call of Duty. Once you are in the local file section, just simply scroll and search for COD, as you can see right over here. Now, after that, all you have to do is just simply right click on it, click on properties, and then just simply go to the compatibility section right over here. Over here, make sure to check disable full screen optimization and then enable run this program as administrator, and then check this box over here and choose the lowest form of Windows that is possible. Then click on apply, then hit OK. After you've done this, go to your documents. So just simply go inside your documents folder. Over here, you should have your Call of Duty. So for example, this Call of Duty over here. What you will do is just simply delete them. So right click and then delete. Now after doing this part, just simply check if your game is now starting or not. If not, do one more setting. So go to your search panel and search for graphics setting. So open graphics settings. Over here, search for Call of Duty if you have that, as you can see right over here. And if you don't have Call of Duty right over here listed, just simply open your browse. And then just simply go to the same location wherever your Call of Duty is installed. And then just simply click on the shortcut and click on add. And that will add the Call of Duty. Now, click on options. Now over here, just simply choose high performance. And then click on save. And once you have done all of that, just simply restart your device and then start play on your Steam, and your Call of Duty will start easily. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.